Submerged arc welding is an electric arc that burns under several layers of welding. Method of welding. Method of welding: stable welding quality, high welding productivity, no arcs and little smoke, and other advantages. It is the manufacture of pressure vessel pipe breaks. Box beam. Main welding methods in the fabrication of other important steel structures. Since submerged arc welding relies on granular welding accumulation, create protective conditions. Therefore, it is mainly suitable for flat welding positions. Welding in other locations requires special measures. Our company first transfers automatic submerged arc welding. Breakthrough traditional submerged arc welding. Limitations of flat welding only. Transfer submerged arc welding. Make full use of carbon dioxide power to set drivers, combined with our transverse submerged arc welding machine for welding. The function of a small current sieve is achieved